Hello people, I'm just doing a quick video of this X Pro Ascend drone. I'm pretty new to drones, so I had problems trying to connect the drone to the phone, seeing first person viewer. So it's just a quick little thing on how to set it up. I've sort of got it all sorted out and figured out how to do it. You can read the manual, but to be honest, the manual doesn't really explain a lot of stuff unless you're actually familiar with drones. But anyway, it's pretty basic information. But I've figured it out now. I've done about 12 flights. I've had a couple of mishaps to start with, but didn't really damage anything. These blades are pretty awesome. They collapse down on each other. I didn't damage any blades in the little crashes that I had. I'll go through a couple of bits and pieces with what actually comes in the package. So, okay, there's your box. There's your manual. Don't throw it away, but I threw it away to start with, but anyway. I had to go back and read a few bits and pieces about it. Anyway, here's your drone. Very cool. Here's your controller. Very cool. There's your AC power adapter. USB lead, and also comes with a box of spare blades. See, I think there's a full set in there. So, you know, there's 8 blades, and they do have to go on the right axis. They are labelled in the box. They are labelled to where they're supposed to go. But anyway, here we go. Righto. When connecting to see first-person viewer, which I had dramas with, and I couldn't figure out why I couldn't see any footage on my phone. So I'll go through the process on actually how to do it without any problems. Ever since I've figured it out, I haven't had any dramas at all, and it connects quite fine. I hear a lot of people talking about can't connect first person viewer. Well, yeah, I was one of them. Anyway, here's your drone. Right, to start with, the whole process, start from way to go. You power on the drone. You connect your Wi-Fi on your phone to the drone. You'll see it pop up there in your Wi-Fi search. So once it's connected, you then open up the application, the Ascend application on your phone. You click the, I think it's the control tab on the application. It's about here on the application, roughly, where my finger is. When you click that, it will open up the first person viewer on your screen of your phone, and you should see footage from your camera to your phone straight away. Camera to phone. Once that's connected, you then power on your controller, which will then sync to your drone. Right? To calibrate your drone. Sorry, to sync the actual drone to controller, you toggle up and down. You'll hear a beep. That means these two here are now connected. So everything will be connected. Your drone will be connected to your camera, and your controller's on the application, and then your controller will be connected to your drone. I've only flown 30 metres height and 30 metres long. They do say the Wi-Fi's good for 200 metres, but I reckon they're full of shit. Wi-Fi doesn't travel that far. Anyway, I hope that sort of helps out people, because I had some dramas with it and I was getting pissed off and angry, and why I couldn't see any first-person viewer on my phone. So that's what you have to do. Power on your drone, connect your Wi-Fi on your phone to the drone, make sure it's connected, then open up the application, because what I was actually doing, I was opening up the application first and then trying to connect it, and I couldn't see any images from the camera. So that's what you have to process. Power on your drone, connect the Wi-Fi on your phone to the drone, then open up the application on your phone, push the control tab. It will open up the first person viewer on your phone. You should be able to see footage from camera to phone. Then power on your controller, and everything should be synced. You know, drone, camera, controller, drone. Huh? Sound good? Sounds good to me. Anyway, I've done about a dozen flights so far, and haven't had a problem since. It's pretty awesome, eh? Thank you. See you later.